I have no horse in this race. I literally don't care. I have no horse in this race either, to be fair, because I do think that ultimately, I do think that Johnny Depp actually achieved, like I said, time and time again, I do think that he achieved his main goal of like showcasing that he too was victimized in this relationship by Amber Heard. I think he did that very successfully, perhaps even too successfully. Okay? Perhaps too successfully. I would wake up anytime for 360,000 viewers. Oh, no, for sure. If only people put this much effort and attention into important things, yes, it does. Does it make me sad that people don't care about fucking school shootings and numerous other things that are happening in the world instead of this thing, which is like, you know, fancy palace intrigue, you know, Hollywood bullshit, two narcissists that are abusive to one another, airing out their dirty laundry in public. Of course I do. But ultimately, it doesn't fucking matter because people do care about this way more, so we're just going to fucking look at it. This is fucking crazy. Woo! Johnny's coward ass isn't even there. What's the deal with that? I don't fucking know. I mean, I wouldn't call him a coward ass, but bro, this is like, we can't even watch this, dude. I don't know what's going on. Like, YouTube live streams are broken, brother. They're fucking broken. You can't even fucking watch this appropriately on most of these channels, dude. I'm just gonna stay on this one. I don't want to fucking lose anything.
All right, Mr. Foreperson, is this the verdict of the jury?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, is it unanimous?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. James?
Unanimous? Oh shit. Oh shit. I mean, of course.
In civil case number CL 2019-2911,
Gamba prediction?
Mr. Depp's claim against Ms. Heard. 1. As to the statement appearing in the online op-ed entitled, Amber Heard, I spoke up against sexual violence and faced our culture's wrath. That has to change. In the Washington Post online edition, quote, I spoke up against sexual violence and faced our culture's wrath. That has to change, end quote. Do you find that Mr. Depp has proven all the elements of defamation? Answer, yes. Has Mr. Depp proven by a greater weight of the evidence that, question, the statement was made or published by Ms. Heard? Answer, yes. Question, the statement was about Mr. Depp? Answer, yes. Question, the statement was false? Answer, yes.
Oh,
question, the statement has a defamatory implication about Mr. Depp? Answer, yes.
Oh
question,
my God, the internet is going to be fucking
was designed
insane.
and intended by Ms. Heard? Answer, yes.
That is fucking
question,
bananas,
due to circumstances
dude.
surrounding the publication of the statement,
Ooh.
it conveyed a defamatory implication to someone who saw it other than Mr. Depp? Answer, yes. Do you find that Mr. Depp has proven by clear and convincing evidence that Ms. Heard acted with actual malice? Answer,
Incel's
yes.
gonna be mad at you on Twitter? I don't give a fuck. Incels are always mad at me on Twitter. That is fucking
2.
bananas,
As to the
dude.
statement appearing in the op-ed entitled A Transformative Moment for Women in the Washington Post print edition and the online op-ed, Amber Heard, I spoke up against sexual violence and faced our culture's
like you
wrath.
underestimated how much the US
that has
system
to change.
hates women over
in the
free
Washington
speech.
Post online edition. Quote, then 2 years ago, I became a public figure representing domestic abuse, and I felt the full force of our culture's wrath for women who speak out.
This is insane.
End quote.
I don't think people understand.
Do you find that Mr. Depp
this
has
does
proven
not happen,
all the elements
chat.
of defamation?
This does not
Answer,
happen in
yes.
America. I don't think
Has
there's
Mr.
ever
Depp
been
proven
a
by
singular
great weight of the
instance
evidence
where someone
that,
lost the
question,
defamation
the statement was
case
made or
in the
published
UK
by
where the
Ms.
standards
Heard?
are way easier
Answer,
and won it in
yes.
America?
Question. The statement
Holy
was about
fuck.
Mr. Depp. Answer. Yes. Question. The statement was false. Answer.
That's crazy.
Yes. Question. The statement has a defamatory implication about Mr. Depp. Answer. Yes.
That's
Question.
crazy.
The defamatory implication was designed and intended by Ms. Heard. Answer. Yes. Question. Due to circumstances surrounding the publication of the statement, it conveyed a defamatory implication to someone who saw it other than Mr. Depp. Answer. Yes. Do you find that
This
Mr.
doesn't
Depp
take a.
has
This doesn't
proven
create a
by
legal
clear and
precedent, but it's a
convincing
precedent in the
evidence
sense that like
that
it's
Ms.
an attitude
Heard
shift.
acted with actual malice? Answer. Yes.
Bro, she
3.
is so
As
fucked.
to the statement appearing in the op-ed entitled "A
UK was a libel
Transformative
case against
Moment
the Sun,
for Women,"
but it doesn't
in the
matter because the
Washington
same.
Post print
It's a harder
edition,
standard to prove.
and the online op-ed,
That's crazy.
Amber Heard, I spoke up against sexual violence and faced our culture's wrath. That has to change. In the Washington Post online edition. Quote, I had the rare vantage point of seeing in real time how institutions protect men accused of abuse. End quote. Do you find that Mr. Depp has proven all the elements of defamation? Answer, yes. Has Mr. Depp proven by a greater weight of the evidence that question, the statement was made or published by Ms. Heard? Answer, yes. Question, the statement was about Mr. Depp? Answer, yes.
Well, I guess he
Question.
didn't just win the public.
The statement was false.
I guess he didn't win the just a
Answer,
public court of
yes.
opinion, boys. I guess he won in the
Question,
fucking
the
actual
statement
court
has a
too.
defamatory implication
Insane.
about Mr. Depp. Answer, yes. Question, the defamatory
Insanity.
implication was designed and intended by Ms. Heard. Answer, yes. Question, due to circumstances surrounding the publication of this statement, it conveyed a
Bro, the moral of the
defamatory
story is:
implication
listen, if you're an abusive
to someone
person,
who
don't
saw
write a
it
fucking
other than
article
Mr. Depp.
about being a
Answer,
victim of domestic
yes.
violence.
Do you find that Mr. Depp has proven by clear and convincing evidence
That's all I'm
that
gonna
Ms.
say.
Heard acted with actual malice?
Even if you yourself
Answer,
are a victim
yes.
of domestic violence in certain points, don't be a violent domestic abuser
As against
and then
Amber
fucking
Heard,
write an
we,
article
the
about how
jury,
you were the victim,
award compensatory damages
Because if they had
in the
settled
amount
this
of $10 million.
like they originally
As
did,
against Amber Heard,
and she didn't
we, the
fucking
jury,
go on this
award
conquest,
punitive damages
this would not have
in the
happened.
amount of $5 million.
Straight up.
In civil case number CL 2019-2911.
Also, those
Ms.
lawyers are
Heard's
the worst
claim
lawyers in
against
America.
Mr.
Like
Depp.
literally.
1. As to this
Didn't you say
statement,
she would win though?
appearing
I
in
said
the
there's
April
no
8,
fucking shot
2020
given the
online
standard and
edition
how
of the
much
Daily
higher it
Mail.
is in the United
Quote,
States. This has
Amber
never
Heard
happened
and
before.
her friends in the media
where like a
used
similar
fake
court
sexual
case has been
violence
won in the
allegations
UK where the
as
standard's
both
on
a
the other
sword
party
and
and
shield,
lost
depending
in
on
the,
their needs.
in
They
the
have
United
selected
States.
some of her sexual violence hoax facts as the sword, inflicting them on
Wild.
the public and Mr. Depp. Do you find that Ms. Heard has proven all the elements of defamation? Answer, no. 2. As to this statement appearing in the April 27, 2020 online edition of the Daily Mail, quote, quite simply, this was an ambush, a hoax. They set Mr. Depp up by calling the cops, but the first attempt did not do the trick. The officers came to the penthouses, thoroughly searched and interviewed, and left after seeing no damage to face or
Bro,
property.
I mean that part is these
So
are
Amber
normal.
and her friends spilled a little wine and roughed the place up.
This part is
Got their
100%.
story straight under the direction of a lawyer and publicist, and then placed a second call to 911. End quote. Do you find that Ms. Heard has proven all the elements of defamation? Answer, yes.
That yeah.
Has Ms. Heard proven
This
by a
stuff
greater
was- this
weight
stuff
of
was,
the evidence
100%.
that question, Mr. Waldman, while acting as an agent for Mr. Depp, made or published the statement? Answer, yes. Question, the statement was about Ms. Heard? Answer, yes. Question, the statement was seen by someone other than Ms. Heard? Answer, yes. Question, the statement was false? Answer, yes. Do you find that Ms. Heard has proven, by clear and convincing evidence, that the statement by Mr. Waldman was made with actual malice? Answer, yes. 3. As to this statement appearing in the April 27th, 2020 online edition of the Daily Mail, quote, "We've reached the beginning of the end of Miss Heard's abuse hoax against Johnny Depp," end quote. Do you find that Ms. Heard has proven all the elements of defamation? Answer, no. As against John C. Depp II, we, the jury, award compensatory damages in the amount of $2 million. As against John C. Depp II, we, the jury, award punitive damages in the amount of $0.
Does either side wish to have the jury polled?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Jamie?
Damn, that's enough. That's enough
Members
money.
of the jury,
That she has
if
that.
this is your verdict,
You don't have
please
50.
answer yes. If this is not your verdict, please answer no.
Okay, so
Juror number 6. Yes. Juror number 10.
Yes.
Juror number 15.
Yes.
Juror number 16.
Yes.
Juror number 22.
okay, that
Juror
was.
number 27. Juror number
Hasan's
29.
thing is like, if you're a victim and dare to fight back, you better not
I
speak
do
up or you
find that
deserve
the
to
jury's
lose.
verdict
Hey,
is-
man. Hey, guess what? She did fucking lose, so suck my dick. How about that? Okay? If you're a victim. Like, no, dumbass. Why do you assume that she is the victim in that situation? Did you not watch the fucking court case?